You all are most welcome in our YouTube channel Sawal Bawal. Our question is n plus 5 factorial upon n plus 1 factorial is equal to 3024. Then we have to find the value of n. Before I start to solve this question, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. If you have any query regarding any question or you have any other question, then you can mail us at sawalbawal@gmail.com. Now let us start to solve this question. Our question is n plus 5 factorial upon n plus 1 factorial is equal to 3024. To solve this question, we should be aware about n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. Further, n factorial can also be written as n into n minus 1 n minus 2 factorial. With the help of this formula, we can write this as n plus 5 factorial as n plus 5 into n plus 4 into n plus 3 into n plus 2 into n plus 1 factorial upon n plus 1 factorial is equal to 3024. Now n plus 1 factorial will be cancelled out with n plus 1 factorial. Then it will be equal to n plus 5 into n plus 4 into n plus 3 into n plus 2 is equal to 3024. To make the calculation easy, let us multiply n plus 2 into n plus 5 and n plus 4 into n plus 3. That is n plus 5 into n plus 2 and n plus 4 into n plus 3 is equal to 3024. If we will multiply n plus 5 into n plus 2, then this will equal to n square plus 2n plus 5n plus 10 into n square plus 3n plus 4n plus 12 is equal to 3024. Now this can be written as n square plus 7n plus 10, and further this term can be written as n square plus 7n plus 12 is equal to 3024. Now let us consider n square plus 7n and n square plus 7n as y. Then this will equal to y is equal to n square plus 7n. Then this equation is equal to y plus 10 into y plus 12 is equal to 3024. Further, we can write it as y square plus 12y plus 10y plus 120 is equal to 3024. And further, we can write it as y square plus 22y plus 120 is equal to 3024. If you will solve it further, then this will be equal to y square plus 22y minus 2904 is equal to 0. If we will factorize it by the mid-term splitting, then this will equal to y square plus 66y minus 44y minus 2904 is equal to 0, and this is equal to y plus 66, and if we take common 44 from these two terms, then this will equal to 44 y plus 66 is equal to 0. This can be further written as y plus 66 and y minus 44 is equal to 0. It means either y plus 66 is equal to 0 or y minus 44 is equal to 0. And what we have considered y as? We have considered y as n square plus 7n. Let us put the value of y. If we will put the value of y, then this will equal to n square plus 7n plus 66 is equal to 0, and the another equation will be equal to n square plus 7n minus 44 is equal to 0. If we will compare it with the standard quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then the value of a is equal to 1 and the value of b is equal to 7 and the value of c is equal to 66. Let us check whether it has the real root or not. To check it, let us check the value of discriminant, that is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Then the value of b is 7 square minus 4 into 1 into 66. Since 49 minus 4 into 66, this will give you the negative value. It means the value of d is less than 0. It means this quadratic equation will not have the real root. And the factorial of only from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is only possible. That is whole number, factorial of whole number is only possible. Negative number and fractions factorial is not possible. Therefore, we will ignore this quadratic equation. Now let us solve n square plus 7n minus 44. If we will compare it with the standard quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then the value of a is equal to 1, value of b is equal to 7 and the value of c is equal to minus 44. To solve the value of n, we have the formula minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Let us put the value, then this will equal to minus 7 plus minus square root of 7 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 44 divided by 2 into 1. Then this will equal to minus 7 plus minus square root of 49 minus will be plus, and if we will multiply 4 with 44, then this will equal to 176 divided by 2, and if we add 49 with 176, then this will equal to 225 divided by 2, and the square root of 225 is 15. It means minus 7 plus minus 15 divided by 2 is the value of n. Then the one value will be equal to minus 7 plus 15 by 2 and another value will be equal to minus 7 minus 15 by 2. If you will solve it, then this will equal to 8 divided by 2 and that is equal to 4, and if you solve it, then this will equal to minus 22 divided by 2, that is equal to minus 11. It means the value of n is 4 or value of n is equal to minus 11, but the factorial of negative number is not defined. Therefore, we will ignore this solution, since if you will put the value n is equal to minus 11, then in the question n plus 5, this will become minus 11 plus 5, that is equal to minus 6, and the factorial of negative number is not defined. Hence, we are ignoring this solution and we will have only one solution, that is equal to n is equal to 4. Let us put this value in the original equation, that is n plus 5 factorial upon n plus 1 factorial is equal to 3024. Let us put to check it whether this solution is right or wrong. Then this will equal to 4 plus 5 factorial divided by 4 plus 1 factorial. This will be equal to 9 factorial divided by 5 factorial. Further, we can write it as 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial. 5 factorial will cancel out with the 5 factorial. Then this will equal to 9 into 8 into 7 into 6, and this is equal to 3024, which is satisfying the original equation. Hence n is equal to 4 is our required answer. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And thanks once again.